Hey everyone, welcome back to Krishna Apps. I'm Krishna, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to install Android Studio and open our existing project from scratch. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Now search for Android Studio. Make sure you open the official Android developers website. Then click the Download Android Studio button. Accept the license agreement if prompted, and download the installer for your operating system. Once the download finishes, simply run the installer. For most users, the default installation options are perfectly fine. Just keep clicking Next until the installation begins. Android Studio will automatically install. Android Studio, IDE, Android S, DK, Android S, DK platform. Android Emulator, required build tools. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer performance. One of the most common questions beginners ask is, do I need to install Java separately? The answer is no. The latest versions of Android Studio already include the required JetBrains runtime, JBR, which is based on OpenJDK. That means you do not need to download or install any external Java JDK just to start Android development. Everything required comes bundled with Android Studio. After installation is complete, launch Android Studio. If this is your first time opening it, Android Studio may download a few additional SDK components. Just allow it to finish. Once everything is ready, you'll see the Android Studio welcome screen. Don't click random buttons while the project is loading. Simply wait until you see Gradle build finished or sync completed successfully in the bottom right corner. Once that's done, your project is fully ready. Now it's time to run the application. If you have a physical Android phone, enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect it to your computer. Or you can create a virtual device using the Android emulator. Select your device from the toolbar and click the Run button. Android Studio will build the application and launch it automatically. Congratulations! You've successfully created and run your very first Android application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Krishna Apps, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.